Hello and welcome. This is Betty with Betty Franks Art, and I am super excited today to be sharing with you my very first solo show here at Colibri Gallery in Morgan Hill, California, which is about an hour south of San Francisco. I'm going to show you all of the pieces that I have. I've got 40 pieces in this solo show, and I will show you the majority of them. We couldn't get them all up on the wall, so I'm going to show you the majority of them, and then I'll plug in some of the pictures that we couldn't get. Also, during this video, I'm going to share with you the opening reception, which is going to start in about 45 minutes from now. So I'm really excited about that. So I'll share with you the evening and how it goes. And then also, if you are interested in any of the pieces that I share today, please just reach out to me or to Colibri Gallery. I'm going to leave in the description below how you can reach us and how you can actually view all of the artwork that I have on display here. All right, folks, so without further ado, let's walk around. Thank you so much for hanging out, for checking out all of my artwork. Again, if you're interested in any of them, check out the description below, or just leave me a comment. I'll be happy to reach out to you, and I'll provide you with a link so that you can see all of the photos of the artwork that I have here. If you're in the San Francisco Bay Area, please feel free to stop by. Morgan Hill is about an hour south of San Francisco, and the show will run until July 8th, 2023. Okay, folks, thanks again for being here, and remember, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, subscribe to my channel and then hit the bell so that you're notified of future videos. Again, I appreciate you being here and wishing you a super fabulous and creative day. Take care. See ya.